Okay, now we're at 9.65 volts, and let the fun begin. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Well, the PCB traces aren't melting anymore, now they just vaporize. And it turns out that the insulation on magnet wire is flammable. I didn't know that. Let's try it with 10 cents.
Whoa.
Looks like this ship has sailed. Finally, let's vaporize a nail. And after all that, the caps were still charged to 9.33 volts. If I use the same energy storage formulas as before, you can see that I used up about 2 kilojoules of energy. In conclusion, ultracapacitors are awesome, and if you care about safety, don't do anything I did in this video.